Dear students, I am going to teach you class 3 science, living and non-living. Our earth is full of wonderful things. There are people and pets, flowers and birds, rockets and buildings. There are cars and buses, roads and bridges, and of course, air and water. Some of these things, like cars, buildings, roads, and bridges, are made by humans. They are called man made things. Things like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, the sun, the moon, and the stars have not been made by humans. Nature gave these things to us. They are natural things. Humans, animals, and plants are living things. Living things differ from non living things in many ways. So, here we have to learn about man made things and natural things. So, some of these things, like cars, roads, and bridges, are made by humans, and such things are called man made things. And things like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, the sun, the moon, and the stars, which have not been made by humans, and nature gave these things to us, are called natural things. Humans, animals, and plants are living things. Living things move. The movement of living things shows that they are alive. Birds and insects fly, dogs and cats walk, fish swim. These animals move because they have life. When touched, plants like the touch me not show slow movement. The sunflower turns towards the sun. However, does the table move by itself? No, we have to move it. Therefore, we can say that only living things move on their own. Living things grow. A human baby grows into an adult. A chick grows into a hen, and a baby plant grows into a tree. They grow and change. All living things grow. Can a small computer grow into a big computer? Can a small doll grow into a big doll? No, they cannot. Computers, dolls, rocks, air, and water do not grow. They are non living things. Living things need food. Sometimes you feel so hungry that you can't wait for lunch or dinner to be served. You need food to live. Food helps you to grow. Animals get their food from plants or other animals. Most plants make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Does your doll ever need food? No, it does not. It is not a living thing. Only living things need food. Living things feel. A cat purrs when you stroke it. A dog barks at a stranger. When you are happy, you laugh. Do you also cry sometimes? Or get angry? Or feel pain? Yes, we all do so because we can feel. Plants grow towards the light. This is because only living things can feel. However, your toys do not cry if you throw them on the floor. They are non living things. Oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Things like cars and bridges are living slash man made slash natural things. 2. A fish slash boys slash chairs cannot move by themselves. 3. When you are happy angry/feel pain, you laugh. Living things breathe. Cover your nose and mouth with your hand for some time. How long can you stay without breathing? Not even for a minute. Human beings cannot live without breathing. They need air to breathe. Animals have lungs, gills, or air holes to breathe. Only living things breathe. Cover the nose of a teddy bear, nothing will happen to it. Non living things do not breathe. Living things reproduce. A bird lays eggs, baby birds come out of the eggs. Most new plants grow from seeds. Human beings and animals like cows and cats give birth to babies. Only living things reproduce. Non living things cannot reproduce. Among living things, there is a lot of difference between plants and animals. We will learn about this in the next lesson. That's all. Thank you very much.